there. So let's take a small flat brush. It can be a flat brush or it can be a filbert. So as you can see, I have some leaves in between those flowers. I have some little blue ones in there too. So, and some of those nice little stringy things there. Twines coming out. So let's try some of that for now. You can put in as many flowers as you want. So I'm just going to put, let's see, how about some light green on one side of your brush and yellow on the other side, okay? And to get those nice leaves, you're just going to touch and pull. Now you can touch and pull up, or you can touch and pull down. So nice long lines with a nice long liner brush. Drag your brush, one side of your brush through green and the other side of your brush through yellow. And make sure your brush is not too dry. And then pick a spot where you want your lines to come out. So just touch and pull out these really skinny lines. If you need more water, just get some more water. Pull through your yellow and green. And maybe we'll have one coming out of here. There we go. Let's try some more. Maybe there's one coming out this side. I'll make a little twirl every now and then. Run through green, run through yellow. Maybe there's something coming down here to match up with that little flower there. Maybe there's some hanging off of here. You can put it over to that one there if you like. Just have them coming off wherever you want. Have a few coming out of here and here, and maybe a couple more up here. Good. Some yellow and green. There we go. So you can have as many as you want. A few little ones hanging off of here. Just hanging down over the basket. Good. Maybe one hanging out of here. Wherever you want them. Good. So there we go. Lines everywhere. So take your flat brush or your filbert brush again, and we'll finish off some of those. Green on one side of your filbert brush or flat, and yellow on the other side. There you are. And put some leaves in between your trees. Touch and pull, touch and pull. So they're bigger than the daisy petals, okay? Touch and pull, touch and pull. Good. Reload if you have to. And touch, pull. There we go. So put in as many of those as you want. You can also use an angular brush and put in as many leaves as you would like. And if you want smaller ones, just touch a little bit instead of a lot. So the thicker, push hard, and the thinner, just push a little bit. You can even have one down here. Touch. So get in as many as you like. There we go. And they're so easy, you just touch. Your paintbrush will do everything that you need to do. Good.